Hello my shadow crafters, welcome back to my channel. Time for another opening from Amazon. Okay, I bought some stuff for my mom for her diamond painting. Let's see what we got. Nope, this ain't that. Okay, oh, these are for my wire wrapping that I can use in my resin projects. I love these. That's one of the reasons why I bought them. I think it's pretty cool. This is so the wires don't get eaten up. And this is for, you know, doing keychains and stuff. Oops, sorry about that. Yeah, I need a real camera. This is my cell phone. Sorry about that, guys. This should be for my mom. Art dot. Yeah, this should be it. Whoa. This is so cool. We have so many different colors in here. Oh my god. Look at all that. I think my mom will love this. This is for her birthday. Oh, tell me what you think, guys. Not for her birthday, for Christmas. Okay. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share, like, and once in a while drop me a cup of coffee. Thank you. Have a good day. Namaste.